Hi friends, this is your friend Jake, and then in this tutorial video guys, I will teach you on how to create a very simple Hello World program using Go or Golang programming language. Before we start with our tutorial, I would like to say thank you so much to all my subscribers to my channel. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please click the like button, leave a comment in the comment section in my video tutorial, and then please don't forget to support my channel by subscribing. So let's get started guys. So here I'm using Visual Code. I find this editor very useful in programming, particularly with Go. So we have here line number 2, package main. So in every Go program there should be a package main. Line number 4, import FMT or format library file for importing a library of FMT for input output. And then line number 6, we have here func main. It is a function or the starting and ending point of the program execution in Go. And then we have here right curly bracket, the beginning. And then we have here fmt that print line, open and close parentheses, backslash t, horizontal tab, hello world in Go, double quotation, close parentheses, and then right curly bracket. This program, the Go programming language, borrowed some commands in C programming language because one of the creator of this programming language Go is Ken Thompson, who is also a co-creator of C language together with Dennis Ritchie. Now, after we have done with the program, it's about time to run it. No? So in our terminal window, simply type go run hello underscore world dot go. It should be complete the file name and the extension of the file. After we type, press the enter key to execute the program. Okay, let us wait. Okay, so here we go, hello world in Go. So this is the end of our tutorial video. I hope that you learned something new on how to create and run a hello world program using Go or Golang programming language. Thank you so much guys for watching. If you like this video, please hit the like button, leave a comment in the comment section of this video tutorial, and don't forget to share and subscribe to my channel for more upcoming video tutorials. This is your friend Jake saying see you in the next video tutorial guys. Bye bye for now.